Hello kabaro! Welcome back to my vlog. Siya nga pala, dinala ko ang kapatid kong babae sa aking alma mater, the Capital University. Kasi nga may open house tour sila at kasama sa mga naimbitahan ang mga upcoming students for the next school year. Hindi naman lingid sa kaalaman nyo na napagdesisyonan ng kapatid ko na kumuha ng kursong maritime education. Siguro na-inspire siya kay Papa at sa akin dahil nagkukwento kami about sa karanasan namin sa barko. The good and the bad ones. Although alam niya namang mahirap, but she really wants to pursue it kasi eto talaga yung gusto niya. At dahil supportive akong ate, syempre, sinamahan ko siya para ipakita ang mga facilities, lalo na ang mock bridge simulator. By the way, ang mock bridge simulator nga pala ay isang high-tech na kagamitan na ginagamit ng mga estudyante para mag-aral at maging pamilyar sa mga equipment na makikita sa navigational bridge. Hindi lang pala to para sa mga estudyante, kundi para din ito sa aming mga deck officers or sa mga aspiring deck officers. Having the state-of-the-art facility in the school will enable students to learn and familiarize themselves with the equipment that they will encounter on an actual ship. Nakakatulong talaga ito para mas maging handa sila pagdating sa mga real-life navigational scenarios. So, during our tour, I met a fellow Capitolian who is also sailing internationally on a merchant ship. He was also a student leader like me, and he is now a licensed master mariner.
Guys, good afternoon. We are your navigators for today's video. Right now, we are going to approach TSS. We are right now in the Singapore Strait, westbound.
Ang saya kasi we didn't miss the opportunity to try the simulator together with the future leaders and seafarers in the maritime industry. It was an amazing experience kasi I could see how enthusiastic and knowledgeable these future seafarers are. Magaling sila, and I could say that they know their basics once they start their careers on board a merchant marine vessel.
170.
Passing 170.
What's that?
Rate of turn 18 degrees now.
18 degrees. Thank you. Half ahead.
What's that?
Thank you.
Busog siya mo.
Starboard. Starboard then.
Starboard 10.
Siguro ang isa sa mga natutunan ko while being in the simulator with these future seafarers is that their dedication and eagerness to learn are truly inspiring. Nakakatuwang makita na they are so prepared and passionate about their future roles in the maritime industry. By the way, naalala niyo pa ba yung araw na napagdesisyonan niyo na kumuha ng maritime education? Well, for me, it's a yes. Nung time na yon, gusto ko lang makapagtapos ng bachelor's degree, makapagtrabaho at kumita ng pera para may pangtustos sa mga pangarap ko sa buhay. Sa totoo lang, yung mga unang buwan ko sa barko were not easy. Everything seemed hard. Especially yung mga operations sa barko. Parang ang hirap intindihin. Naisip ko nga parang ang bobo ko yata kasi ang hirap-hirap intindihin ng mga operations sa barko. And my seniors would always tell me to read manuals and trace the lines from pump room to deck. Pero alam nyo, habang tumatagal, I fully understood why my trainings were like that. That is in order for me to fully understand how complex, challenging, and rewarding being a seafarer is. You always have to learn your basics, and the learning doesn't stop. Because every contract is a guarantee to offer you something new to learn. At para naman sa kapatid ko, this is an incredible way of exposing her to the things she will expect once she starts her maritime education in the university where I once graduated. Oo nga pala, nung kapanahunan ko, wala kaming simulator. Kaya medyo nangapa din ako nung pumasok ako sa cadetship program kasi nga hindi ako makarelate sa mga kabatch ko who were able to experience handling a bridge simulator. Pagkatapos namin pala sa simulator, pumunta naman kami sa 4th floor ng building para makita niya ang iba't ibang equipment. Yung may mga pagkalumang equipment na. At syempre, para makita niya din ang future classrooms niya. That's okay.
Old naman jud ni siya. Ito mo siyang stop, standby, dead slow, slow, half, full ahead. No, actually mukagat naman ni siya. With this you can see this. Mukagat ni siya.
Di ba kay
No need na.
here? Memorize na pag
Pinakita ko din sa kanya ang old mock bridge ng school na nadatnan ko nung nag-aaral pa ako. Well, I could say she enjoyed her little tour of her future school. Although nakapunta na siya dito dati kasi lagi siyang sumasama sa papa ko when he was still alive. This visit will be transformational for her because she will be able to grasp what awaits her in this institution. At para naman sa akin, I am so excited for her. And to all future seafarers, whatever and wherever your career takes you, I hope you will not forget the learnings you have gained from your alma mater. Keep that passion burning and continue to strive for excellence in everything that you do. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching.